Welcome to the OMS Eligibility Portal training session. In this training session, we will review the basic eligibility verifications portal, which will give you real-time insurance benefits for your patients. You will start by logging on to xeromed.com and enter in your username and password that OMS will provide to you. Once you log in, you will click on the Eligibility tab, which will bring you to the dashboard. On this dashboard, you have a search format here that is strictly for searching for patients after you've obtained verification. Below the search option, you do have all of the patients that you have verified for your practice, and it will give you the status of their coverage and their eligibility date. To create a new inquiry, you will click on the New Inquiry button on the right-hand side. This will bring you up to the list of payers. You can either search for a payer by clicking on the little eyeglass icon, enter in the carrier you wish to verify. Your provider information will already be set up in the system. You then can enter in your dates of service here and enter in the type of service type you would like to verify. Health benefit plan coverage will be an automatic default, which will give you deductible information, co-insurance information, out-of-pocket information. You can also add services that you would like to verify, such as vision, frames, so on and so forth. From here, you will enter in the patient's information. For each carrier, your search options to enter in patient information will only require you to enter in one row. So you only either need to enter in the member ID, a member ID and date of birth, last name, first name, or date of birth. Once you select one and enter in the information, you can submit the inquiry. This will bring you up to a response page that will give you all of the patient information that you've requested. It starts with the patient demographic information at the top. It will also give you their plan information here, their eligibility date and service date. Down below, under the health plan benefit coverage, this is where you will get in-network benefits of limitations, co-insurance, deductible amount, how much of the deductible is remaining, any out-of-pocket. And as you move down through the screen, you will also be listed chiropractic care, dental care. These will be collapsed as they are not necessary. But if you would like to open up the office visit, you can view that by expanding. And it will let you know if there is a co-insurance that applies or if there is a copay that applies for this particular plan. It also lets you know if there is any vision benefit or if it cannot process. Once you review this information, you can either print the information from here at the top, or you can click on New Inquiry to enter in another patient to continue obtaining benefits. Once you go back to your original dashboard, if you have a status where the subscriber information is not found or inactive, you can contact your patient to obtain the correct insurance information. Once you have that information, you can come back in here and click on the Edit screen, update the information that you've received, and click Submit Inquiry. This will give you the updated information and their active coverage. Thank you for attending the OMS Eligibility Training Session. Please feel free to contact OMS with any further questions.